Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to unlock my Snapchat account, the 2023 version. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So you want to go ahead and search up locked out of Snapchat. So once you've searched up locked out of Snapchat, you'll get the my account is locked. Now you want to go ahead and click on that. Now be aware, I am doing this on desktop, but you can do it on the mobile device as well. Just use Safari, or if you're on Android, go ahead and use a search engine like Bing or Google. So once you have reached the Snapchat support, just scroll down to the my account has been temporarily locked, or my account has been permanently locked. Now what we need to do is, if it has been temporarily locked, go ahead and select the little link there saying going here. So you'll get an area or a new page where it'll ask you to log into your Snapchat. I'm going to go ahead and type in my details and I'll be with you in a second. So you'll reach your account and all you need to do is select the unlock my account. So go ahead and do that. Now this only occurs if you have received a message that your Snapchat account has been locked. So go ahead and click on the unlock. Then of course it'll ask you to verify your phone number. You'll be then asked to enter in the verification code. So this only works if you have a phone number linked to your account. And there you have it. Then it'll say we have unlocked your account, and that's pretty much your account unlocked. Now, say you are having a couple of issues and this hasn't worked for you. Go on to the Snapchat support where we were at, and then select the contact us. From here you'll be able to submit a request. So if you have no access to the account, you can go ahead and select that and just say that the account is locked, and if that doesn't work either, then just say account compromised, and then you can submit that request, enter in your details. So it'll ask you to enter your username, your email, mobile number, and just briefly describe what's been happening to your account. Submit, and you should get an email in a couple of days or so from the Snapchat support. But there you have it. That is how to unlock a Snapchat account. Hopefully you did find this video helpful. If you did, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Love to hear what you guys think of the video. Anyways, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys for the next one. Thank you very much for watching.